It is finally a beautiful day outside today in New York City, in Queens especially. That's where I'm at in case you were wondering. And for the past couple of days, it's been raining like crazy. I've been hella busy with school and it's been super hard to upload videos, especially just because of the weather. And I have to admit, I have also had a pretty lack of motivation, but that's aside from the point. In today's video, we're gonna be filming my GoPro on my forehead. No, wait, no, I'm sorry, wait, no. We're gonna be filming a point of view of me driving the E36 with the GoPro on my head. Yeah, use that. I'm really excited to film this video because the interior of my E36 looks fantastic and I think it looks so cool seeing it being driven. I always loved watching point of view driving videos of E46 M3s and E36 M3s because I just love how the E36 interior looks, how it's so driver oriented. Now I know you guys have seen me do this before with the F30 back in the day. Rest in peace. But today's video is going to be a little bit different because in this one, I'm going to try and mount this microphone onto the E36's back bumper. And hopefully I don't lose my microphone. It's going to really suck, but I'm going to do it for you guys. I'm going to do it for the video, for the sake of the video, so we can get a nice sound of the exhaust because honestly, that exhaust is so refined. It's so properly toned. It's so much for an older man who likes M3s. It's something that an older person would buy who doesn't want something obnoxious but still wants a nice sound. This exhaust actually makes my motor sing. Like it sounds like the S52 sings compared to any other M3 I've ever heard, including the E46. The E46 sounds a little bit raspier. For some people, they actually prefer that. Me, I actually kind of do prefer that until I got this car. This car literally sings. Like it's like music when you hear it, like climbing the rev range. So yeah, in this one, I'm gonna try and mic the exhaust and mic the back bumper and try to get a nice exhaust and synchronize it with my GoPro. So it'll be an awesome video. So I'm really excited to do that. And a quick update, I changed the rotors and the pads of the F30. That video is coming soon, even though Yura, who is Mike's brother-in-law, who owns the shop, kind of helped me through the whole process, so making a DIY for that was kind of pointless, but hey, I got to learn how to do it on my car, so that was something. That's worth something, right? Ooh, check out this interior. So a lot of you haven't really gotten to know or see, unless you follow me on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I uploaded a picture on how I want this car to look in the near future, and a lot of you were like digging it and like super excited, so you guys all know it's gonna go down soon because you guys remember how I had that thing looking, so you can only imagine how I'm gonna have a much cheaper car looking. Anyway, the interior is gutted. I'm gonna be uploading a video on that soon. I still need to take out the sound deadening in the back, and I still need to take out the carpet. So I still have some stuff to do. So before I upload that video, obviously I need to finish filming it and finish gutting this. I don't know why this is here, this is garbage. All right, so give me a second guys. Let me mic it up and let me get it all ready and let's get this point of view going. I hope this sounds good and I hope this looks good and hope nothing goes wrong like my microphone falling off because that would severely suck ass. I really hope that doesn't fly out. Hi, camera. All right, I think we're good. I think we should be okay, right? Oh well. All right. No music, just straight car sounds, I promise. I swear I heard something move. All right, I think we're good. Yo, I'm so afraid that my mic is gonna fall off. It's a $400 microphone. My microphone's still there. I'm so scared. Full tank of gas. Engine temperature is good. Car's idling well. It's beautiful outside. 68 degrees. What can possibly go wrong? Come back for seconds because the CRV wants to be gay. Ooh, FRS, baby food. braking so hard. Had to heel toe from 5th all the way to 2nd, like a freak. All right, please tell me my microphone's still there. Why is that guy wearing a suit and glasses driving a minivan? What a freak. Oh, we're good, we're still here. All right, cool, fantastic. All right, it's getting a little hot, but it's all good. All right, cool, cool, cool. We shall continue this. We shall continue this. Alrighty. Or shall I say ruin this? Woo! Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Oh my god. This car, man. I love it so much. Oh man, that was fun. Can't do that with an X Drive. I guarantee the Jackie Robinson Parkway has too much traffic on it right now. Should probably try. I'm gonna go to the parking lot, see if my bike's still there. Actually, let me let these cars pass so I can floor it down this. Give it some more. Give it some more space. Now. Oh my god, I'm taking this turn at 60. Mind you, I'm taking that 60. Oh, it just takes it like a fucking champ. So much fun. Oh, that's a nice ass car. Old school Buick Club. Must be nice. Oh my god, I love this car. Oh shit. Okay, I want to talk about that. Sometimes 2nd to 3rd, 3rd gets jammed and it doesn't let me go into 3rd, and it's really annoying. It's really annoying and it's really frustrating because it almost happens every time when I finesse 1st to 2nd and I'm going like probably my fastest and it just jams, like it doesn't let me go into 3rd. It's weird. I think it's my transmission's detent pins is what they call it. Oh man, this was me? Damn, okay. I wrote my whole S, the first letter of my name. I did a whole S. Figure 8's soon coming. Should probably check Jackie Robinson. Oh wait, let me check if my microphone's still on. Because I don't know, this is so sus. It's like the most sus setup I've ever had. Ah! Oh, we still on here, good. Still plugged in. It's heating up though, that's not good. Probably take it off now because it's gonna heat up and that's not gonna be good. And we're still plugged in, yep. Alright, well, oh god. Alright, well, I guess that can pretty much do it for this video. Yeah, this is how ridiculous I look with this GoPro on my forehead. This is probably hilarious. This is probably like a vlog inception right now. My mic is getting hella hot because of the smoke that's coming out of the exhaust and it's kind of roasting my microphone. So the last thing I want to do is mess up my microphone. So I guess that pretty much does it for this video. When I went to PA to visit my best friend to go to a Cars and Coffee, which we didn't actually end up attending, I took my GoPro with me because there's nice twisty roads there. So if those are okay, I'll throw those in here because those are much better roads than this, because this is all we literally have in Queens. So yeah, that pretty much just about does it for this video. I'm literally holding two hands, one on the microphone, one on the camera, and this looks hilarious. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love my car very much, as you guys can tell. You guys can hear me screaming and having fun driving it. I can't wait to get it to where I want it to be, the future, where I see it, my perception of it. So stay tuned, guys. I know I haven't been uploading very frequently, but I don't know. I have a lot of stuff going on, especially with school, and family stuff. So I'm trying to, you know, stay positive, stay motivated, and do everything I got to do to succeed in life. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Take care. Peace out.